Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gelato. We'll start by understanding the fundamental differences between gelato and ice cream. Gelato typically has a lower fat content and incorporates less air during churning, giving it a denser, more intense flavor. You'll need just a few key ingredients: whole milk, granulated sugar, and your preferred flavorings. Many recipes also include egg yolks for a wonderfully rich and creamy custard base. Next, we'll craft the delicious custard base. Begin by gently heating your whole milk and granulated sugar in a saucepan, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks until light. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk into the yolks, whisking to temper them. Return the tempered mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens slightly and reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your custard base is prepared, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Transfer the base to an airtight container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This ensures the mixture is very cold, which is essential for proper churning. When ready, pour the chilled base into your ice cream maker. Churn the gelato according to your machine's instructions, usually for about 20 to 30 minutes, until it achieves a delightful soft serve consistency. After churning, your gelato will be soft, so the next step is to firm it up. Carefully transfer the freshly churned gelato into a freezer-safe container, pressing it down gently to remove any air pockets. Place the container in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. For the most authentic, scoopable texture, allow your homemade gelato to soften at room temperature for about 10 minutes before serving and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.